everybody, my name is Char. I'm a travel blogger living in Nicaragua and teaching English here with the Peace Corps. So this month for my blog, I'm focusing on the different sounds that we hear while we're abroad, during the day, during the night, any time of the day. So while I can't show you my whole entire day, I am going to show you this 2-minute video of me simply buying tortillas down the street. So as I'm talking, you can hear somebody talking next to me and lots of different sounds going on. So I've noticed that in Nicaragua I've heard lots of different sounds, and it's really interesting to compare the sounds I hear with the sounds that other volunteers hear living here. So while you watch this video, try to notice all the different sounds, whether they're old and new, and compare them with your experiences. So enjoy this video. Buenos días. Buenos días. Estoy haciendo un video. ¿Me da unas 6, por favor? Gracias. Buenos días. Estoy tomando video. Le tomé video de la muchacha que hace tortillas. Para ver si quiero enseñarles a mis amigos lo que hago en la mañana. Hola. No.
¡Vámonos, chiquillos!
Ya compré los huevos y ya estoy bien. So now that you've watched the video, which sounds were old and which ones were new? I hope you enjoyed this video of my experience living here in Nicaragua, and feel free to check out my blog at vulnerabletraveler.wordpress.com. Adios.